everybody, this is Kathy from katzelcreate and welcome back to our channel. So I am back with more stuff from my Christmas stash, and I am thinking that this Christmas I am definitely not going to buy any more. If you guys see me buy stuff, you guys need to hit me or call me out on that, because I have too much. Yeah, it's too much. I gotta start using it. And yeah, anyway, so what did I find on my second part is this. Oh, I made this gnome, like, was it last year, I think? Isn't he cute? Let me see if you guys could see him down there. Oh my goodness, isn't he cute? And this beard, I know I found at Hobby Lobby. This was a clearance. It was a piece of so I had to use it, and oh my gosh, I love him. He just needs something red or something in here, so I'm gonna probably alter him a little bit, not too much, but I love him. Oh my goodness, you know, sometimes you forget what you have. So that's one. I think this is just a Santa hat. Yeah. So I usually put everything in Ziploc bags or baggies when I put them away, just in case, you know, there's spiders or anything. I have these. I've had these for, whoa, 3 years, 4 years. I'm too scared to use them because they're so pretty. But I gotta start using my stash, like I was saying. And I have this. I don't know what this is. I think I'm a little scared if I open it. Well, it's wrapped up. Oh, look at you guys. I have this. And I know this is a Hobby Lobby purchase. Let me see if it says by Cure. Should be a Hobby Lobby purchase. Yeah, I love this. It's really heavy, and I might have to sand it down and redo something to it. So there you go. Guess what, you guys? You guys want to see the chocker of them all? So I am a ribbon lover. I love ribbon, and this bag is full of ribbons. Some already pre-made bows. Look at you guys. There's this right here. You guys can't really see the color, but there's this. There's this. There's this one right there. That looks cute. And there's this one right here. So this looks brighter, but it's a little darker. It's like a I don't know how to say that color, but it starts with an M. I have this. Isn't this cute? Oh my goodness, I love this. Oh my goodness, I think I got this sometime, it wasn't last year, maybe 2 years ago. Cute, gotta start using it. And I actually bought this at Sam's Club. Here's another one of my other favorites, Sam's Club. You guys can see. Oh, I love it. Yeah, I love ribbon. Oh my gosh, another ribbon. And this is another Sam's Club. And I actually cut around the edge right here because I don't like the bulkiness of this, just, you know, flipping around. Michael's. I got these at Michael's. It's a jumbo one. And these were on clearance about 2 or 3 years ago. Here's another one. So yeah, like I said, I love ribbon. And yeah, there's another one. Here's another one. This one, I think the roll fell off. I should do a destash on, but nah. There's that one. And then, guess what I found? Oh my goodness, I didn't even know it was in here. This I bought at Hobby Lobby like a year ago or 2 years ago. So yeah, I have a tendency of hoarding, but this year I promised myself I will start using stuff. These are some of the items that are pre-made. These are my poinsettias from last year, I believe, and here are some trucks, so I will be using these. So sorry you guys if you guys and then I have this right here. I found stockings for my kids. My son is into Star Wars right now, so yay, awesome time to use this. And then I found this, you guys. I don't know if you guys remember this. I believe this was from last year. It was on a collaboration. I don't remember whose collaboration, but I ended up making this, and this is so cute. And then this is my elf store. So it opens, and the reason I have it to open is so that it is an invisible door where the elves come in and out. And I think this is so cute, and I just made this out of cardboard. and I improvised, and I think I saw a sample of this at where was it at? That store, Dollar Tree. So Dollar Tree was ugly, so I decided to make my own version. So there you go. I have some of these right here. These are pine cones, and I will be using some of these, and I will probably spray them down with some spray adhesive because the glitter does fall off. I have some of these little balls, and I got these at Hobby Lobby. And then these are the lights. So I have a whole bunch of lights. The only reason I have a whole bunch of lights is because I grabbed a grab bag a while back ago, and yeah, that's all I got in that grab bag. And then I have some of these stickers. And then, yeah, look at you guys. I am such a hoarder, but I will, like I said, I will be using these. OMG, look at you guys. Oh, these cute. I'm gonna be doing the hoard one, use one, and pass it along. That's what I'm gonna be doing. Pass one along, hoard one. Yeah. So there you go. Oh my goodness, this is embarrassing, you guys. But I have to show you guys so that way I start using my stuff. These are odds and ends of stuff that I need to use. Maybe I'll just put it on the side. Here are more snowflakes. And here is a box of cards. These are some box cards that I have in my stash. Some of these cards were gifted to me by fellow crafters, and this is so cute. And this one was made by Becky. I don't know if it was Becky from Facebook or here on YouTube, and I do apologize. Here are some cut aparts to make my own cards. I didn't even know I had those. Some other odds and ends. This is a cute envelope, and I don't like I said, I don't remember. I think this is a Facebook swap. I want to say it was a Facebook swap. And this one's another one. This one is so cute. And then it has some stuff still in here that I never took out. And it doesn't say who it's from. So you guys, we need to start putting our names on our stuff, so that way when other people you know, show our stuff that, you know, they've hoarded like I am. And look at these, you guys. Oh my goodness, that's cute. And this is a little cart, and I got this for $1.29 at Hobby Lobby. And oh my goodness, it comes with the envelopes. Oh my goodness, really? Oh my goodness, Kathy. Somebody should just. And these are other pieces of odds and ends of stuff that I'm supposed to be using. So let me see, is that it? No, there's still another bag. And the only reason I'm talking a little fast and loud because I don't want to keep you guys long. Sorry. And these are the ones, the lights I just told you about. These I got it on a grab bag about 2-3 years ago. Here are some plates. I know I got these plates. Aren't these cute? I got these plates at what is that place called? Big Lots. So yeah. And I think I just broke stuff, you guys. Oh, I hope I didn't break anything. So some confetti, some these, and then I have my elf hats in here for my kids. Oh, this got, oh yeah, it has its name. And then, oh okay, so here I have ornaments in here, which I haven't used. There's more bells. And then I have these. This I got at the Dollar Tree. And these are my son's ornaments. So, my ornaments, let's get this one. So I gotta be careful with these. So my ornaments, I usually get them after Christmas. Yeah, that's a habit I've gotten used to. And look at this one. I've gotten used to where after Christmas I go and look for the ornaments, and these are the Hallmark ones. So yeah, I gotta be very careful with This one, oh, this one was a pre-made shaker one I did last year. Oh my goodness. A bell. This is my son's bell from 2018. From his pre-K. Look it. I know some of you guys are gonna love this one. Oh my goodness. But yeah, like I was saying, I go to Walmart and get the pre ones, the after sales. I'm sorry. Then my son was into Minecraft, and I didn't put the year on that one. This is an ornament that my son made, and that is basically it. And I have this little box, and then that is about it. Yeah, anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and I still have another box. I probably won't get that one till a few days after I organize these, because I do want to organize these before I start creating and doing more stuff. So thank you for now. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.